So hey guys, what's up? Good to have you guys here. I'm super excited, and this course is gonna take you from beginner, even though you have no knowledge about forex, to a professional forex trader or to someone that has mastered the art of forex trading. I know everybody wants to make money, but you have to learn before you earn, which is actually very, very, very important. And trust me, I can tell you, you are on the right path. So this course has been like, I've broken it down into like different videos, so don't skip a video. And if you're a professional forex trader, you can go to a particular video that you want to watch, so that you can, if you have a problem understanding that particular topic or something, so you can go there and watch. But if you are a beginner, you have to understand that your foundation is actually very, very important. 90% of forex traders actually lose their money, so if you don't want to lose your money, you have to give yourself to learning, and I promise you, you're going to make money. So for the first course, what we're looking at right now, it says the ultimate forex trading course for everyone, including beginners. So what's the next? Now, what you will learn, you will learn 5 things. What is forex trading, how forex trading works, who are the biggest players in the forex, who are the biggest players in forex trading, advantages of forex trading over other markets, what are the forex market hours. Now, so before we dive in, let me explain to you what forex means. For many of you that don't understand, forex actually means foreign exchange. So let's imagine you're coming from the United States and you come with your dollar, you came into Nigeria and you exchange it for naira. You've actually participated in forex trading without you not knowing. But what we're trying to like teach you here is you don't need to like go through those stress of looking for dollar, changing it to naira. You can just trade on the go with your smartphone, with your device, with your laptop, in your bedroom, wherever you are in the world. That's actually one of the reasons why I love trading forex, and I'm going to like explain to you in this class. So now, what is forex trading in a layman's language? Let me first explain to you before I give you a scenario. Forex trading, also known as FX trading, is the conversion of one currency into another. Forex trading is one of the most actively traded markets in the world, with individuals, companies, and banks carrying out around 6.6 trillion worth of forex transactions every single day. That's crazy. While a lot of foreign exchange is done for practical purposes, the vast majority of currency conversion is undertaken by forex traders in order to earn a profit. Now, if you don't understand what I just said, let us imagine that you actually bought $1 when let's imagine you bought $1 when it was equals to 1,000 naira in Nigeria. So that means you gave them 1,000 naira and you collected $1. Now, if the price of dollar increases to 1,005 and you sell it, you actually get back 1,500 naira, meaning you've made a profit of 500 naira. That is exactly how forex trading works. So let's move on. Now, it is the act of buying and selling currencies on the foreign exchange market with the aim of making profits. It involves trading currency pairs where one currency is exchanged to another. Let's keep going. Now, the amount of currency converted can make price movements of some currency extremely volatile, which is something to be aware of before you start forex trading. The forex market is an exciting place. The good thing about entering into forex market is that you can trade anytime at your convenience. That's the reason why I love forex trading. Now, you can go learn other skills, which is actually very, very nice. I love them so much. Maybe let me give you an example. Let's say photography, graphic design. But the reason I don't like those skills is because you need to like look for a client to like pay you before you actually make money. But forex, once you master the skill of trading, or let us say the art of trading, you can actually trade anytime on the go. You are in the plane, you can trade. You are in the bus, you can trade. You are at home, you can trade. You are in school, you can trade, and you can make money just with your smartphone. That's one of the reasons why I love forex. So let's keep going. It's going to be an exciting one. Okay, so how does forex trading work? A lot of people ask, how does it work? How is this? Because if you look at the forex chart, you see a lot of movement. What's making this thing go up? What's making it come down? I'm going to tell you. So forex trading works like any other transactions. Okay, let me take that again. So forex trading works like any other transaction where you buy one asset using a currency. In case of forex trading, the market price tells a trader how much of one currency is acquired to purchase another. For example, the current market price of GBP USD currency pairs shows how many US dollar it will take to buy £1. I know you guys might not understand what I just said. So GBP USD is actually a currency pair. It's the short form for the Great British Pounds against the US dollars. So like he said, for example, the current market price of the Great British Pounds against the US dollar currency pair shows how many US dollars it will take to buy £1. You understand? So GBP is actually the main one in focus, while they are comparing it with the dollar. That means the dollar, you are trying to see how much of the dollar can buy one of GBP. Do you understand what I'm trying to like say right now? So let's move. So if you don't understand, just stick around. You're going to understand later. So each currency has its own code, which tells traders, which lets traders quickly identify it as a part of a pair. So let's move. Who are the biggest players in the forex trading? Because we have a lot of big players in the forex trading that actually makes the markets move. So we have the central banks. The major participants are the central bank. They influence currency value through monetary policies, interest rates, and intervention. For example, we have the FED, that is the Federal Reserve. We have the ECB, the European Central Bank. We have the BOJ, that's the Bank of Japan. These banks are all central banks, and they have a big effect on the forex market. So financial institutions, that's our commercial bank. They facilitate forex transactions for clients and engage in monetary trading. We have investment banks and hedge funds. They conduct speculative trades to profit from the currency movement. We have corporations. They use forex markets to hedge against currency risks from international operations. Let's keep going. We have retail traders, that's me and you. These are individual investors. They participate through online forex brokers, and we have retail forex brokers. They provide platform and leverage to individual traders. Now you might ask yourself, what is a broker? A lot of people might be asking you, if you are going through forex trading, what is a broker? Now, a broker is a company that gives you an opportunity for you to be able to engage in the forex market. You know, normally if you have to like I explained to you before, if you have to engage in the forex market, you need to like buy US dollar, you understand, wait for it to maybe rise or drop in price or in value, then from there you sell, you understand, that you make profit. But at this point, they made it easier with just your device. This company actually gives you an opportunity. So all you just need to do, you create an account with them, you deposit, you use the money that you have to either buy a currency pair or either sell a currency pair. Then if it goes in your favor, you actually make profit, and it's that company that actually like gives you your money. So that is what broker means. I hope you guys understand. So let's keep going. Now, what are the advantages of forex trading over other markets? Now, high liquidity. Forex trading has high liquidity. Now, it has a 24 to 5 markets. That's 24/5. It's not 24/7, because the forex market is only open for 5 days. So trading is continuous from Mondays to Friday, providing constant opportunities. The forex market opens on Sunday evening. That's I guess it should be Sunday by 10 or 11. But let's say it opens like officially on Monday, then it closes on Friday evening, giving you 5 days to make money from trading. It has large volume, it has high liquidity, it ensures tighter spread and better price execution. So let's keep going. Leverage. Now, advantages is leverage. It helps you to amplify your capital. It allows traders to control large positions with a relatively small amount of capital. It has the potential for high returns. That means it increases both your profits and your risks. Leverage. That was one of the advantages of trading. It gives you leverage. So you to use small capital to like make so much money in the forex market. It has low transactional costs. A lot of people, if you want to like start a business, before you look at transportational costs, look at the cost for electricity, cost of paying your staff, those things are not, yeah, they're not in forex. Now the spreads, they generally lower the other markets, yeah, generally lower than other markets, making it cost efficient for frequent trading. No commissions. Many brokers charge no commissions, relying on the bid and ask spread. That is, many brokers, they don't like even ask for, they don't take commissions, they don't charge you if you place a trade, if you buy, if you sell, they don't. It's zero commission. So these are the advantages of like trading forex. So diverse trading options. Currency pairs, they have wide range of pairs to trade, including the major, the minor, and the exotic. That means you have a lot of currency pairs for you to be able to trade. If you discover that, okay, this pair is not working for me, you can switch to this other pair, I can switch to this other pair, and so many other pairs like that, you understand. A lot of people, you're going into business, you can only do one thing. You can only sell one particular kind of thing. But in forex trading, you have so much. You have a wide range of pairs for you to trade, which includes, I said it before, the major, the minors, and the exotics. So I'm going to like explain to you guys. Accessibility, you can start trading with a relatively low initial investment. Some brokers even allow you to deposit just $1 before you start trading. You understand? So with your $10, $50, $100, $1,000, you can start forex trading. You don't need high initial investments. So what are forex market hours? Many of you might ask. 24-hour market. You have a continuous trading day. The forex market operates 24 hours a day for 5 days in a week, starting on Sunday evening, and it closes on Friday evening. So you have, like I said, you have 5 days for you to make money throughout 24 hours all through the week. That's from Monday to Friday. So let's move. Understanding currency pairs. So what are currency pairs? Like I said, GBP USD. What does it mean? Why are they putting them together? What is a major? What pairs are major? What pairs are minor? What pairs are exotic? I'm going to tell you. So currency pairs represent the exchange between two currencies. Number one, you have the base currency. That's the first currency listed in the pair, just like we have Euro USD. So the base is actually the first one, the Euro. Euro is actually like, this is the short form for Euro, EUR. You understand? So that's the base currency. And we have the quote currency. The second currency is listed as the last. That's Euro USD, like the USD in this particular currency pair. These are like the components. So you've learned about the base currency and the quote currency. Exchange rates. So we have exchange rate example. This is an example. So we have the Euro USD, which is 1.20, which means 1 euro is equivalent to 1.20 US dollars. Like I said, the first one is actually the main one, while the other one is telling you the amount of money required for you to buy the main one. Do you guys understand? So yeah, that's what exchange rate example actually means. So type of currency pairs. So like I said, we have the major ones. And what are the major ones? So it includes USD in them. Okay, the major currency pairs includes USD and one of the other major currencies. So we have, for example, we have Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, USD CHF. They are the most traded and they are highly liquid. Now, so you might ask, in a very simple form, what are major pairs? Major pairs has USD in them. So any pair that you see that has USD with them, in them, with them, you can say they are a major pair. Now, minor pairs. What are minor pairs? Minor pairs are very simple. They don't have USD in them. So they do not have USD in them, but involve other major currencies. For example, you have the Euro GBP, we have the AUD JPY, we have the GBP JPY. So what does all these things stand for? Euro GBP means the euro against the Great British Pounds. We have the AUD JPY, that's the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. You understand? This GBP JPY means the Great British Pounds against the Japanese yen. You understand? So that is what all these pairs actually mean. So we're going to go to the next. Now, exotic pairs. They are a pair. They pair a major currency with a currency from an emerging or a smaller economy. A lot of these pairs, their currencies that come from a smaller economy. So we have, for example, we have the USD TRY. That's the that's the dollar against the Turkish lira. We have the euro, Bulgarian. They are less liquid, they have high volatility, and they have wider spread. So I'm so sure you've learned, let me say, the basic of Forex. Now you know the meaning of Forex. Now you know the advantages of trading Forex. Now you know what currency pairs are, is, and let me say you've learned quite a lot. That's what I'm going to say. Now let me just give you a bonus tip. While you're watching like this, try as much as possible to jot something down. It is very, 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 very important, so that you don't have to like come back to this video and you'll be looking for where I said it. Try to like write something down. Trust me, like I said, you are on the right path to getting financial freedom. This Forex trading has changed my life, and trust me, it's going to change yours. Just ensure you give time to it, study, learn well, and trust me, I'll see you at the top. So see you guys in the next class.